Hello everyone, Marga here. Today I'm going to do a flip through David Rosenberg's new release. I don't know the name yet because I don't have it yet. But when the release is coming out, you all know the name, and I put it in my under my video if the video is coming out. But it's a book. You can make a book with it, and I have my book extended. Normally when you use the dies, it's going to be this big. So you see, I make it a little bit longer. It's very easy. It's not difficult. So I do that in another video when I make a book. But yeah, I liked it this way because I want the inside something special. Now this is my outside. This is a new stamp from it. I did, and also a die. I die cut it and then I stamped it on vellum. So you don't see it on the inside, but only on the outside. This is fake leather. And I stitched it by hand with a double thread. I will see the outside. No, I did some fun. I had the same color, so yeah, I don't know how you call it in English, but it's also on the back. This is lace in front also. I'm going to lay it down so I can do the inside. I did with gesso and paint and brayer just for fun, so that it has the same colors. I made the book from Craftex, so it's a little bit thicker. So Craftex and fake leather, and the other paper is just the paper from David, and which one I did use is the Christmas paper, and oh, I don't have it here, but it's all from Christmas, from David's release, and brown, just brown regular paper. Here I made a tag. This is all in the same release. And this is from the paper, and this is from the coffee dye paper, this image. So here I did a drop. I hope you see it, because my camera is exactly in the middle is the holder of it, so I don't see exactly what I showed to you. Now here, this is a stamp from the new release, and I did some embossing powder on it. And now I must look, because I did use a double thread, and you see, because there is a bread in it, I did the outside, the inside with this stamp, and yeah, I die cutted this out. This is also the same as the front from the page, vellum stamped, and yeah, I put this is also from the coffee dye paper. So I want to quickly close it, but no. So I want it not to lose. Always handier when you sit down. But here I did some yeah, rope. It is not rope, it is old thingy. And then I have here a waterfall, and in the waterfall I did the same, also with the vellum. So I let it come back the first few pages with this mandala, and then I'm going to pull here, and then I have the hearts, and then I have the flowers, and then I have the big drip, that's how you call it. And I used, and here you can see it, I think better, all Tim Holtz paper that you can sand. This is very easy. And this is also the Tim Holtz paper. This is also the Tim Holtz paper. This is also Tim Holtz paper. This. So that is why I made it larger. So I had here something to use for other things. Now the next page. Here I made the big page, and the holes is a small. I go look if I can find it here, so I can tell it to you. I did not. There are 2 bit holes in it. So I used this one, and I made different holes in it. You see here, the same hole is in it. So in the paper, and I did keys, a lock, flowers, and this is just a background for a stamp, but I use it as a normal background. Here I did some hearts and drop, and yeah, that's and flowers. I hope you can see it. I must look if you can see it, because it's very dark. Yeah, I think you can see, now you can see it. And in the middle I made a bow, and that bow I did with a tiny texture, locked it down here just for fun. In those pockets I did labels with the text "Love this" and "Good times." So, and now it's gonna be a little bit different, because these are all only from the new release, and here I have some things used from older releases and pictures from other things. So here I did the how you call it? This is from an older release, and I had the same one in iron, and I thought that is nice. The stencil is from an older release, and this is from Marimi's Small Art. Normally I use always the Tim Holtz, but I found this book and I love it. Now this side, this is also in the release, only the sentiments not. That's from an older release. Here I did something different. I did not wrap it around this way, but I made a bow. So you can open it. And this one is from the same book as I just told you. And I liked it. White splatters on it. And the branches are from this release. I close it later. So this and this is from this release. This is the same as this, only I glued it down on sides, so I got a pocket. And on the hole I did a small drop with how do you call it? Sometimes enamel dots. Put it on, and this one is also a nice one, because this one is not a pocket. It's used, you see here, for putting in it, gluing it down here, but I thought I'd make a pocket of it, because I have this frame also in the release, and it fitted just to make a pocket, and I put some florals in it. I stamped the mandala again, mandala. Here I did a waterfall again, but then with the same pictures, which I really love. They are just, I think they are great for journaling. So I love them. So you see how easy it goes. Same picture here, older materials, and you see I extended the pages, and I love this. I did it on every page, but sometimes different colors. And here also older piece. I don't know how to call it. Sometimes no. This is the last page. This is a stamp from the new release. This is from older releases. Memory keeping. Time waits for no one, and today not tomorrow. This was the last page, and now I'm going to start with another one. I hope you liked it, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.